Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make $500 fast. You're going to be surprised at how easy this is to do. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision if those are topics that you want to learn more about. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to make $500 fast. So what you're going to do is get a free NetSpend card. It's a debit card that you can use to purchase gas or get money from the ATM. You're going to load it with $40 and then you'll receive $20 from NetSpend. And that's going to qualify you to earn unlimited $20 commissions when you refer someone who does the same thing. And so if you refer 25 people, you're going to earn $500. So let me explain how this works. I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video. That'll be the first link. And when you click on that, it'll take you to this page right here. And you'll just enter your information here. And you'll click on None at this time. And then you'll pick which card that you want. And it'll tell you like all the features of the card there. So that'll take 5 to 7 business days to get it. I think I got mine within a week. It was pretty quick. So then you're going to activate the cards. Just like a credit card, there'll be a number on the card when you get it that you call to activate it. Or you could go online and activate it. Go to netspend.com and there'll be a place when you log in to activate it. And then you're going to load it with $40 and you have to actually go to a physical location. So let me log in here. If you click on the upper right hand corner right here where it says reload locations, that'll take you to a page where it'll show you like the closest locations, and there is an activation or reloading fee which is like $3.95. so I went over to Dollar General and you just give them $40 and then your reloading fee, and it's just automatically activated. Actually it'll be on your card, but then you'll automatically get the $20 because when I came home it was already on my card. So right here you can see my referral bonus is $20. Now there is I picked the $9.95 a month to have the card, and considering that you're still in profit here because you got the $20, and also it's going to qualify you to earn the $20 unlimited commissions, then it's definitely worth it. So then to get your referral code, after you activate it, put your $40 on and get your $20 referral bonus, to get your referral code, just click there. You'll go all the way down where it says send, wait a minute, not send money, refer a friend, right here, refer a friend. And it'll explain exactly how that works. Then you just click on send or share a link, and this will be your referral code right here. And obviously you're not going to share that like if you're going to do it on social media or YouTube. You want to have a shortened link. So if you just copy it to your clipboard, you could go to somewhere like Bitly and just paste it in there, and you could just use the code like that, or you could do something like $20 fast. We'll see if anybody has that. Nope, no one has that. So you could just use like a link like that. Or I use ClickMagick. I love this tracking software. But you can just use ClickMagick, create a new link. I'll show you what I did here. So you put your primary URL here, and then you put whatever you want at the end. I do have a domain name. So this is my URL that'll take somebody. to the page right here to sign up, and then that's coded to you, so you get the $20 commissions when they put $40 on their, activate their card and then put $40 on it. So that's it. I mean, it's real simple to do. Everybody would want this, I think, because you can earn the $20 commissions, but also you get some money when you activate your card, and you can use the money that's on your card. So you're probably wondering, like, okay, how do I share this with people? They do have a place in here. You know, we can send an email, share on social media. But what I would recommend, besides social media, is free classified ads. I'm going to leave a link in the description below that I have like over 100 free classified ads that you can post on, and then you can put your bit.ly link in there. So that's a great way to get the word out there. That's completely free. So is social media. YouTube is my favorite because you can go after keywords that people are already searching for. YouTube is the second largest search engine under Google. Now this keyword finder used to be free. It's called Keywords Everywhere. It's a Google Chrome extension. They just made it paid, but it's not that much. So I went ahead and used that keyword finder to find you some keywords that you can market this on YouTube. And you can just do like a free screen sharing software like Screencast-O-Matic, and you don't ever have to show your face, but you would just basically do a little presentation on NetSpend and how this works, kind of like I did, and show people how they can earn unlimited $20 commissions, and then have a link in the description below your video and direct people to that. But these are some keywords that I found that I think would be great. There's all kinds of keywords. These are just an idea. But if we go over to YouTube and type in how to make $1,000 fast, you can see that there's 2,400 searches a month. So we're going to find out the competition by typing in all in title with a colon, and then we'll put the keyword in quotation marks. And you can find that there's not more than one page of search results, and that means that it's not real competitive. So if we scroll down, there's not that many search results for that exact keyword. So I already did this for you guys because so I know that it's a good keyword. See, there's not that many. So that's the first one. Second one is earn $20 a day online. There's not that many searches for this compared to the other one, but it's 170 searches a month, so those people are definitely looking for a way to make money. So if we type in all in title, you'll see that there's not that many exact matches and therefore not that much competition. Like this would be an easy keyword to rank for if you know what you're doing. Which by the way, I will leave a link in the description below the video on how to start your own profitable YouTube channel. How to get $1,000 fast. That's another great keyword. There's lots of searches for that a month. And then you could do anything around being a college student because they always want to make money. So how can a college student make money? This would be perfect because they are in contact with a lot of people. They can just share this with people in college. So that is 320 searches a month for that. And there's a bunch of keywords around college student and making money. Or you could even do like stay-at-home mom. So let's see, there's very little competition for this keyword. So those are just some ideas for you on how you can market this on YouTube. So hope you guys found some value on how to make $500 fast. Again, this is super, super easy to do. Just share it with people. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Again, the first link is going to be how to get your NetSpend card. The second link is my #1 recommendation for making money from home. You can check that out if you'd like. And again, I'll leave a link down below on how you can start your own profitable YouTube channel. So with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.